Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about Kyza, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Register for Kyza pre-launch webinar and get an assured gift plus 10 free licenses. Save time, frustration, and hundreds of dollars monthly firing 5+ expensive marketing apps and ensure your business growth in 2022. Discover how we have sold over $9 million in products and earned $6 million in affiliate commission by doing it all from one single dashboard and without any tech hassles. Register for this free training webinar and get a chance to win free Kyza access. Our 25+ years of combined experience is packed in this state-of-art 1-hour webinar where you'll learn how we have sold over $9 million in digital products online and you can follow the same to build a profitable business online. How we earned $6 million in affiliate commission without any dependency on expensive third-party apps and saved hundreds of dollars monthly. How you can get rid of the headache of managing multiple apps and dashboards to run your marketing campaigns. A sneak peek of Kyza to create lightning-fast marketing pages, pop-ups, opt-in forms, and send unlimited emails without any technical hassles, under a single dashboard. Lastly, everyone who attends this session will get a chance to win a free gift as we are giving 10 licenses of our premium solution, Kyza. Register for this free training webinar and subscribe to our early bird VIP list now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more money-making videos. Sign off.